What the fuck is up, 4Viewers Nation? Today's gonna be a super quick video. This is a clip that I took when I was in Thailand with one of my friends, and I just thought until now just to post it up. And just like what I said before, I have so many old videos, like I don't know what to do with these things, but except just maybe just polish them up and say here you go. But again, these are my trips. I'm going to put them up here, so here you go. So sadly, I'm going to be gone for the holidays. I won't be here for New Year's days. I'm about to be in Cambodia for 16 days. So hopefully I can come back with some actually decent footage this time, instead of just having like a shaky fucking camera or whatnot. But hey, you gotta start somewhere.